empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
The future of education is already here. From personalized learning plans to AI tutors and real-time feedback, artificial intelligence is transforming the way we teach and learn. But how exactly is AI reshaping the classroom? And what does this mean for students and teachers? In this video, we'll explore 3 major ways AI is transforming education. 1. Personalized learning. 2. Enhanced accessibility. And 3. Empowering educators. We'll also discuss real-world examples and key challenges. Let's dive in. First up, personalized learning. In a traditional classroom, it's hard for teachers to tailor lessons to every student's unique pace and style. That's where AI steps in. AI-powered platforms like Dreambox, Khan Academy, and Carnegie Learning adapt in real time. If a student is struggling with fractions, the system gives them more practice. If they're excelling, it introduces more advanced problems. These intelligent tutoring systems use algorithms to map knowledge gaps and provide instant feedback, almost like having a one-on-one tutor 24/7. Students using AI-powered tools showed a 20 to 30% improvement in performance, according to a study by Rand in 2015. Next, let's talk about accessibility. AI is breaking down barriers for students with disabilities, language differences, and limited resources. Tools like Microsoft's Immersive Reader help students with dyslexia by highlighting text and reading aloud. Voice-to-text tools empower students with motor disabilities to participate fully. And with real-time translation, AI allows students to learn in their native language, whether they're in rural India or urban Chicago. AI can reduce dropout rates by identifying at-risk students early, as shown in studies by Jayaprakash et al. Now here's something teachers will love. AI isn't replacing educators, it's empowering them. Grading multiple choice tests, automated, tracking student engagement, dashboard insights in seconds, creating lesson plans. AI can help recommend resources. AI is also helping teachers grow. Platforms like Coursera or Athena use AI to suggest personalized professional development modules based on teaching styles and classroom needs. Take this school in Singapore. With AI-driven feedback systems, student outcomes improved across math and science in just 1 academic year. Or Sarah, a teacher in Texas who uses ChatGPT to differentiate assignments for students at different reading levels. Her class engagement, up by 40%. AI doesn't replace the teacher, it enhances the teaching. But it's not all smooth sailing, there are serious ethical questions. How do we protect student data? What if AI algorithms reinforce bias? And how do we ensure all schools, rural, urban, public, private, can access these tools? These aren't just tech issues, they're equity issues, and they must be addressed as we scale AI in education. AI is not just changing education, it's unlocking a future where every student can learn in the way that suits them best, and every teacher can focus on what they do best, inspiring minds.